Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this new episode of Vintage Weekend. This is the third episode of our vintage, thrifted, DIY'd advent calendar unboxing. If you missed the previous episodes, I'm going to link them down below in the info box so you can check them out. In the first episode of this advent calendar unboxing, the advent calendar was much bigger. Now it's so small. So every little bag has a thrifted item inside. I can't remember what's inside them, so it's gonna be a surprise for me. And I hope it's gonna be a surprise for you too. So I'm very excited. Let's start from number 15. So, here they are. This is a set of Christmas decorations. If you have seen the previous episode, I unboxed something very similar. They are all different, but they have all the same color combination. They are really adorable. And I also probably discovered where they are from, because in one of them you can read Noël, which means Christmas in French. So maybe they are from France. I don't know. Anyway, they are really cool. They are a little bigger than the ones I unboxed last week, but they are made of wood as well, and they have a different finishing. They are a little bit glossy. I love them so much, and maybe I will hang them to my Christmas tree. I just discovered that the little train is a bit broken here, but well, on the other side, it is okay. They are so cute. Next up is number 16. This is another Christmas item. Look how pretty. Well, I hope you can see it all. So it's a table runner. I was looking for a hand embroidered one, but I didn't find any that really caught my attention, so I got this one. I got it for €2.80 at the local charity shop, and I think it is beautiful. Really reminds me of Christmas time, and of course I will style it soon on my Christmas tablescape. So the 17th is right here. Well, this one is heavy. What is this? So this is a Barovier glass trinket dish. On the back you can see that it is handmade. So this was a peculiar technique that was used at the beginning of the 20th century in Murano. So this is Murano glass. It is so easy to break these pieces, so it's a miracle when they are still in their perfect shape like this one. And probably the woman who sold it at the flea market didn't know about the Barovier technique, so she sold it for €3. €3. This has been such a bargain. I've seen pieces online that are worth much more. Probably it had its glass lid, but now the lid is missing, but I don't care that much because I like it as it is, and it can become a beautiful trinket dish to add to my collection. So what's up next? That was the 17th. Also, this one is a candle. I got it together with other candles, but this one was the only one who fits in the small bag. So here it is. And every year I thrift for some candles because I know that there are many at the charity shops. So this year I'm decorating with the classic red and white colors and a little touch of gold. This is so nice, and I will style it together with the other candles that I already have. And maybe you will see it lighten up at the end of this video. Next up is number 19. Oh, this is cool. So this is a tie. It's by the brand Missoni. The fabric is a kind of jacquard silk. I don't know if it's silk. Maybe I can find the label somewhere. Yes, 100% silk. So it is a very high quality tie, and I like that the end is small, you know, because there are bigger ones that are a bit more masculine, but this one, I mean, I can use it. Here it is. What do you think? I think it's cool, and it has beautiful colors. Now the challenge is to find a way to style it with an outfit, and maybe you will see it in one of my next videos. So number 20 is right here. Oh. I totally forgot about this. It is a kind of ethnic bracelet. I think it could come from India, and it has a peculiar kind of clasp. Oh my god, I can't open it. Here it is. I think it could be made of brass or something similar, and you can see that it is handmade just because it is not perfect. And the pink part is made of kind of mother of pearl, and I love this kind of decoration. I think I will use this one so much during this summer, and yeah, can't wait for summer to come. Next up is number 21. So, this is so strange. Number 20 was an ethnic piece, and this is another one. Well, this is an ashtray. It's very, very heavy, and look at the decorations. I got it at the charity shop. I was there with my mom. One day I will bring you along with us at that charity shop, which we love so much. And yeah, I was so excited when I found this one. I don't smoke, so I'm not going to use it as an ashtray, but I think I'm going to use it for incense, you know, to burn incense. Yeah, so this is another nice find. Now, before going on with the unboxing, I just wanted to tell you that I planned to make a fourth video with the unboxing of the other three small packages and other things, but you know that my husband and I just came back home from our Christmas weekend in Milan, and I made some videos there. We went vintage shopping and then sightseeing a little bit, and I'm really excited for that video, and I would like to publish it before Christmas. Here you can see a sneak peek of what we did. I really hope to edit it in time. So if you want to see that video, please show me your support. Give this video a big thumbs up. This will really help my channel to grow and will help me with the algorithm. You know that YouTube has this strange thing. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here with me. And now let's go on with the unboxing. I could use this for Christmas, even if it's not red. I don't know, I will figure out what to do with this one. This is another charity shop find. It's a candle holder. It's really gorgeous. It's made of terracotta, and here it is hand painted with a blue color. I was hoping to find a couple of candle holders like this one, but I only found one. Well, there's no problem. I think I'll go thrifting for some other similar pieces and I'll put them together. It has a super small chip here. Well, let's turn it the other way. Well, really beautiful piece. I love candle holders, as you know. So yeah, very cute. Let's go on with number 23. I am a bit sad that this is ending. Why can't we do this all year long? I know what it is. So this one is a leather belt. So genuine leather, made in Italy. I think it's too long for me. Let me try. Yes, it is too big. Maybe I can shorten it. It seems quite easy, so maybe I could do it. It has a beautiful pastel pink color that I will use so much during springtime. As I saw it, I knew I had to have it because I don't have any belt with this same color. I can't believe that I found it at the flea market for a couple of euros. Now we only have the last one to unbox. This is a very special piece. I thought I was going to use it maybe to hang some small stockings or Christmas decorations. I will clean it a bit because I know that this is going to be more shiny. I think it's a kind of kitchen thing. You can hang napkins, not napkins, how are they called? I don't know what it is, but I am obsessed with flowers and golden things, and this one is both. Oh, it's finished. So sad. Well guys, I hope you had fun unboxing this advent calendar with me. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite item. If you like this kind of videos, here you can find another one suggested for you. It's one that I made this summer. It's all about thrifting, and then there's a huge haul. So I will see you there or in the next video, which will be about our Christmas weekend in Milan. Ciao!